I think we had few soft dismissals, but partnership between me and Pujara was crucial for us. 250, 240 for 4 or 5 would have been good for us, but I think we lost 2 extra wickets. Nevertheless, it's not typical Calcutta wicket. There's something in the wicket here, and it's 2 pace as well. But really happy the way me and Pujara batted in between. Second session was really tough. It was humid out there, but yeah, overall not so far a good day for us. No, not really. We were not surprised, but we didn't expect 2-pace wicket. We felt wicket will be wicket will be very good. Generally, Calcutta wicket is flat, good for batting, but it was there for the fast bowlers. Initially, they bowled really well, and felt again, if you saw with the second new ball, that bouncer which Trent bowled to Wriddhiman Saha, because of the crack it deviated. So it's not easy for the batsman, but again, no excuses. Played some bad shots and got out. It happens in cricket. We'll have to learn quickly and move forward again. It's not because of the wicket, obviously. As I said, played too many shots, but I think me and Pujara will take this blame because we were set. He got out on 87, I got out on 77. I think it was our responsibility to carry that partnership forward, and see, batsman gets out. I mean, batsman just need one ball to get out. But I think if me and Pujara, between none of us, अगर दोनों में से किसी ने 100 बनाया होता तो शायद हमारी पोजीशन आज अलग होती. सो किसी और को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं, बट शायद मेरा और पुजारा का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि हम वो पार्टनरशिप आगे लेके जाए. इट इज़ डिसअपॉइंटिंग, बट सी, एज अ बैट्समैन you don't think about scoring 100. You see the situation and play according to that. I felt in between second session we played really well, but after that maybe we lost our concentration, focus level, and got out. But I think, as I mentioned, we lost two extra wickets here. 5 wickets would have been ideal on this kind of wicket. But see, I mean, Jadeja and Saha is batting again. If we get 75 to 100 run tomorrow, 325, 330 is a good total on first innings here. Yes, I think डिफेंस आपका हमेशा से इम्पोर्टेंट होता है टर्निंग विकेट पे. अगर आपके डिफेंस के ऊपर आपको भरोसा है तो आपको कोई आउट नहीं निकाल सकता. तो वो हमने फर्स्ट और सेकंड सेशन में किया था, बट थर्ड सेशन में हमें लगा कि यही एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि हम यहाँ पे रन्स बना सकते हैं. बॉल पुराना हुआ था और बॉलर्स थके हुए थे, तो हमें लगा कि शायद हम यहाँ पर रन रेट बढ़ाते हैं तो उनके ऊपर प्रेशर आ सकता है. तो यही हमारी थिंकिंग थी कि इंटेंट के साथ खेले. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बाउंड्रीज के लिए देखे, बट अगर स्पिनर्स को आपने देखा होगा हम फुटवर्क का यूज़ कर रहे थे, तो हमारी कोशिश यही थी कि उनकी लाइन एंड लेंथ हम डिस्टर्ब करें, और ताकि बैकफुट पे खेलना इजी था स्पिनर्स को फ्रंट फुट से ज़्यादा, तो हमें बैकफुट पे ज़्यादा रन्स मिलेंगे. बट अगेन, डिफेंस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल, एंड स्पेशली इन द टेस्ट क्रिकेट. अगर उस पर आप फोकस करते हो और उसके ऊपर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस है तो आपको कोई बॉलर आउट नहीं ले सकता.